In Edit Inventory window, enter the company, model and product name as you like to sort out. You can add or scan common barcode in Barcode ID column. Enter all product-related information. Prices, discounts can also be edited or changed while adding purchase or sales entry. This info automatically load while adding entry, which increases your speed. You can add different models or names of products of same company. Auto ID software generated ID, you can use it if barcode not exist and print barcodes with that auto ID. These details will help you to create invoices or add stock entries very fast without remembering prices. To add taxes to any product, select the product. There are 3 types of tax systems. First type is, if your products is being taxed while purchased from dealer but not on sales, like you does not show it in sales, like value added tax. Then you have to add taxes in purchase tax table only. Second type is, if your product is being taxed on both times purchase and sales, like GST tax system. Government tax you and you collect tax from customer. Then you have to add taxes to both purchase and sales tax tables. Third type is, if you only tax product when they are sold in sales section. Then you can add taxes in sales tax table. In next videos, we will see how to add purchase or stock entries in inventory management, tax system, and tax grouping in details. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.